when we talk about this, Vamsi, how do we fill this thing? If you read the number 1.
Our homework that's very difficult yesterday, but today it's easy.
What could be the answer? You have to completely understand this. Our homework dash very difficult yesterday, but today it dash easy. So we will make mistakes in this only. Is, was, where, are. Here only you are going to make mistakes. Say they are giving the word keyword yesterday, but now they are giving a word today.
Our homework is very difficult yesterday.
Why? Yesterday, they are saying yesterday. What are you going to get here?
Was.
Read it properly. Yeah, our homework, read.
Our homework was very difficult yesterday, but today it is very easy.
Write it, number 1. Our homework was very difficult yesterday. This is how you want to use it. But today, it is easy. The next one is a little bit even more difficult, but if you understand it, you will get it right. Number 2, 1 second, just. Vinay, can you read number 2 along with the answers?
Yes, sir. I know that I dashed late 2 days ago, but this time I dashed late.
Careful, it is not easy. You have to really understand 2 days ago. Do you want to put a positive or negative here? But is coming again, positive or negative. If you understand only, you can get it.
I know that I am not late.
Why?
2 days ago.
2 days ago you said it. 2 days ago it is there. Why are you putting am and all? Am and all present tense, right?
Yes, sir.
You
I know that I was late 2 days ago,
can you read
but
it
this
again?
time I was late.
Read it again, number 2.
I know that I was late 2 days ago, but this time I was late.
Why? You have the but here. You have the but here. How can this both will be same? You have the but. You know the meaning of but, right, Vamsi? You know the meaning of but.
Kani.
Yeah, you know the meaning of but, right? But it's opposite, right? Vamsi, try number 2. Two days ago, you have to have only past, isn't it? 2 days ago.
I
I
know
know that
I was not late 2 days ago,
Yes,
but this time I am late.
this time I am late. DS, write it down. Write it down. I was not late 2 days ago, but is there, but I am late. 2 days ago I was not late, but today I am late. So you should not struggle with the am, is, was, where, because that is the basis of your speaking.
Dash was she born? She dash born in she dash born in
What is that? The cricket playing country.
New Zealand.
Yeah.
Born in
Why are you delaying? In New Zealand and all, everybody knows New Zealand. Yes. Read it
where
out.
was she born?
Where was she born?
She was born in New Zealand.
Yeah, where was she born? Where? So where WHERE, where was she born? She was born in New Zealand. So the
Okay.
answer is A as an apple.
Yeah.
A. So write it. A is asking where was she born? The B is saying she was born in New Zealand. So after this, I will be asking you all these questions directly to you. You have to answer it.
Dash were they late for the meeting because they dashed asleep.
Very careful, very careful. A is asking dash were they late for the meeting. B is saying because they dash asleep. The because is the keyword. Because just because you can do it. So A is asking dash were they late for the meeting. B is answering because their days are dash asleep.
Why were they late for the meeting?
Super. Why were they late for the meeting? Because
Because
it's all happening in the past.
Because there was
there
sleep.
was
Oh,
asleep.
after there, you cannot have was. They is there, right? They is there. You cannot have was. They is a plural. They is a plural. Go. Let's go here. 1 second. Let's go here. So you are having a I, we, you, he, she, it, they. So when I have a was here, what are we going to have they here? It's a past tense. What are you going to have? So I was, what are you going to have we? Quick, quick. We know that the very first class we taught. I was. What is going to be for we? Why are you struggling, Vamsi? Go with the answer. So you are not revising what we taught, isn't it? Every class is important. Right? You guys have to write it down. Write it. Will I write it? So where is the last connection, Vamsi? Vinay, are you there?
Sir, completed.
Yeah. Where is he? Can you check? Can you check? Because I don't want to proceed without him.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Check with him. Check.
Okay. 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 Sir.
Yeah. What happened to see?
Power gone, sir.
Yeah. What about floods? Floods in your area? Flood?
Better, sir. They have no heavy floods.
No heavy floods in your area.
No heavy floods.
No, 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 sir.
Some areas it is. What about Vinay?
Sir?
Yes, sir. There is.
The Vinay. In your area, how is it?
No, sir. Good, sir. Better than other. Better than other areas, sir.
Better than other area. Okay. Okay. Hope everything goes better. So now you say this am. What is going to be for we? You have to know this. I was, we were, right? If it is I is going to be am, what is going to be we? Refer your old notes, you'll get it. All these things are important. Why? Why, Vamsi? We are. You.
You are. You are. He were.
Oh, he were and all, nothing is right. It's present am, are. So why are we not able to do this? He is. You have to be very thorough here. Why? Now, look at the only 4 areas you have to focus. I have. What is going to be we?
Had.
No. Had is a past tense here, right?
I have, you have.
So we have,
We have, you have.
you have. He. What is going to be he?
Have. He have.
Oh. As you guys have, if you forget this, you will not be able to answer any of those. Here, it's going to be have. It's going to be have. You have to write this down multiple times. You have to read it out to me. Now, I is had, we is had. What is going to be you?
You had.
No. See, it has to be. Look at this. I told you several times. I have written this. You had. You are not revising at home. If you don't revise, it will not stick in. Had. Now does. I do. What is going to be we? It's a very simple base table we taught.
We do.
We do. You.
You do.
You.
He did.
He.
He did.
No.
He does.
That's a present tense. Why are you going with that? No, the basic, if it is wrong, you'll not be able to get it. So this is going to be do. What is going to be did? We talked about this. You have to memorize this. I did.
We did. We did. You
You.
did. You did. He did. She did. It did. They did.
Write it down. Please write it down. Then we will proceed. So these 8 words are important. I, we, you. Vinay, you have to remember all this. You can't make mistakes here. If you make mistakes, everything will go wrong. Everything, every square, you have to really know this here. All your questions and answers will come based on this only. You have to know how to split it.
Yes, sir, completed.
Now, so if I'm going to have a do here, what is going to be we?
We do,
You,
you
you,
do,
he,
he does,
she,
she does, it does,
it does.
they do.
Careful. They.
They do.
They do.
Now I'm going to have a have here. Have. We.
We have.
You.
Have.
You have.
You
So
have.
it's going to be he.
He has.
Very important. It is a present tense. So you want to have a have.
She has. It has. They have.
So this is also present here. Look at this. This is present. This is present. Now I'm going to have a past tense here. Look at that past. I'm telling past. What is going to be we?
We had.
You.
You had. You had.
He.
He had.
She.
He had.
It.
It had.
They.
They had.
Very good, very good. Now I'm going to have this. Another past. Look at that. Another past. What is going to be we?
We did.
You.
You did. You
He.
did. She did. It did. They did.
Right. When it comes to here, yeah, I'm going to put a present. Am.
Are. You. We are.
Yeah, you.
You are.
The order is also important. You know the order. He.
He is.
He was.
She is.
It's a present tense. It's a present.
She is.
Okay, okay. It is.
Is. They are.
They are. So when you make it to the past, so past is going to be I was. What is going to be we? What is going to be we?
We were. You were. You were. He was. She was. It was. They were.
So this is what you really want to remember. You want to really remember this. Right? The second thing you want to remember is you have a have. The V2 is going to be had. V3 is going to be had. V4 is going to be having. Yes. Don't get distracted. Don't get distracted. If you get distracted, it will be hard. So have is going to be V1. This is all we taught. All right. The have is nothing but look at that. Have. How do you split this into two? Do have. Split that into two. Have is do plus have. Had. Look at that had. Did plus have. Look at the has. Does have. Write it down. Vinay, you have to focus on this here. It's just 90 minutes class, you have to focus. Already almost 30 minutes over.
Yes, sir. Sir.
You do plus have, had, did plus have, has, does plus have. Look at this. These three things are important. So you do this do, did. Look at this. What is going to happen with V3 Vinay? Do, did.
Did.
No, no, it's going to be done. You guys have to revise everything. Here?
Done.
No, done is here. Here. Easy. V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. How many times we wrote? We wrote 6 times doing. What is going to be here? Look at the top. Top, you can easily get it.
Does
You guys have to work on it. Very, very important. Write it. This is V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. Attending class is not enough. You have to follow it up. Everything you have to remember. For which you have to revise. Anyone? You remember am? What is going to be there? Past tense. Look at the V2 is past. Was.
was
Yeah. This is going to be been. Write it down. Been. Yes. Write it. This is the two basic tables you have to remember again and again and again and again. Be.
Be, was,
Was.
been,
Been.
being,
Being.
is,
Yes. Yes. Again, it is going to be yes. Okay.
was, been, being, is,
You remember this, these two tables. This is the one you have to remember. V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. Using this, write it down. Write this. Look at the way I have split. If you know all these things only, you'll be able to answer any of the questions. Somehow you are getting distracted. You guys have to really focus on this. Somewhere you go to an area where no one is there. It's only 60 minutes left. We will go back here. We'll work on this, whatever we learned. Let's do this here. Now, Vamsi, the weather dash